It's Hills and Wells.
These are the signs of a nation with depression. It's people diagnosed with post-traumatic stress disorder, moral injury due to more than stones and sticks. But are there signs hidden in these atrocities that this doctor can't fix? At night I have strange but helpless dreams of giving life, induced labor. Day breaks instead I birth prescription pills and advice. My dreams evolve to nightmares of reattaching limbs. And I've only left her side for a moment to America to catch a glimpse. And I return to this, matching teeth to nearly nothing, faces to the soles of feet which once sheltered heaven, hell, burned politicians who've lied in lectures, the smell of burned skin and countless ideas who've died on these stretchers. Am I dying of patriotism, or is this a part of my job description? Never assume the human in me has gone numb, because even down desolate cheeks dry tears can run, silenced, like screams pulled out of its lungs, and into the atmosphere like ventricles that spew blood-like substance, but which remains blue. Am I dying of patriotism, or is this a part of my job description? Through my stethoscope I hear my favorite songs that vacuum tears from the ducts they belong. Gentle songs that wouldn't hurt you, songs to which you and I know the words to. I sing, in hopes you'd sing along to the dying whispers of a beating heart, in hopes you'd put ropes through needles, stitching back together lives that were torn apart. And though many abroad have the slightest of clue why patriots dance best with the fragments of bone crushed into the treads of their shoes, I hope you get this message. I hope you feel it. I hope you see it. We all carry pain, but most of us conceal it. I hope you feel it. I hope you see it. If patients turn arrogant, then doctors become conceited. But these are high-definition tears, so not all of us can see it, that you're dying for patriotism. And this is a part of your job description. And this is a part of your job description.